what can they do in Honda Cadet as they come through at the start of racing. Lights are going to be out and they're going to be racing now. Great start from NAKAMURA-BERTA. He's creeping across in front. Can he get across in time for Sonny Smith? Yes, he does. Perfect start from NAKAMURA-BERTA as he charges off the line and under the Litchfield Bridge. So they storm through and into the lead early doors goes Kean NAKAMURA-BERTA in front of Sonny Smith, who goes straight back at him. Sonny Smith has retaken the lead at the top of the hill. Sonny Smith is back in front. Great racing from Smith as he works the battle round the outside of turn 3 and comes back across for NAKAMURA-BERTA with third position. That is Ryutaro Sakai, the Japanese driver and NAKAMURA-BERTA's teammate. So, very interesting to see NAKAMURA-BERTA and Sakai now basically working together at the sharp end of the field. 5 and 55. It's like the Alfa Romeo touring car days all over again at the sharp end of the field. Sonny Smith, NAKAMURA-BERTA, Sakai. Then it is 23 next up. That's Ethan Simmons charging his way through to fourth as AGAMBAR makes the move on the inside of Henry Gregory. But has he finished off that move? Good start from Gregory, by the way, up towards the top 6. That's good news. So they charge through on the far side of the course. No major fisticuffs at the first lap until they get to the chicane, and then we have a spinner. Now, who is that that's come off the circuit? I'll try and double check as they come through. But I'm sorry to say we've had at least one incident. Oh, and a big spin from post B. Oh, a big spin into the barriers. Now we've lost somebody through. That is Noah Barham. Noah Barham has had a big spin and it struck the barriers on the way through to the couple of corners. And we've got a spin in the final turn now as well. Several drivers are trying to finish off the lap. So we've had a couple of drivers come off. That's Gerald McDowell with Grayson Warren, right forward to the one down the sharp. Noah Barham has got going again on the barriers on the gate. Smith and NAKAMURA-BERTA pulling away. Up to third now is coming Ethan Simmons. Makes the move on Ryutaro Sakai. Holding around the outside. Go on, getting a bit busy further back for 7th position. There's quite a few of them in the gaggle. And we've got the likes of Gregory, TICEHURST, Drummond, USAKOVS, Swain, SPEAKMAN, HEYWOOD, Dylan MACKAY, all in the mix as they squabble away for position. There's about 9 of them all in the mix. But the top 5 have broken clear. 6th position downwards is an absolute rout at the moment. All the way down to Tom YEOMANS in 14th. They are battling away. There's some really intense racing. Now what has happened to Challenger seems to have had a bit of a disappointing middle sector. A couple of drivers have skidded away in the midsection, but out in front, these two once more, Smith versus NAKAMURA-BERTA. Third position for Simmons, fourth for his teammate Ryutaro Sakai. Then it is Josh AGAMBAR, and then comes that battle for 6th place. Drummond, TICEHURST, USAKOVS, Gregory, HEYWOOD, SPEAKMAN, Swain, MACKAY, YEOMANS and Hitter. All the way down to 15th place now. So 10 of them in the fight for the top 6. They desperately tried to fight their way forward. Down the back straight. Sonny Smith in front of them. They continue down to the braking stuff. Around the outside line of the hairpin. In conditions. No rain on the circuit yet. Still very slippery. Still quite wet. And with the threat of more rain in the air. The battle continues. Drivers surge forward. As they come through the S's, it's still Smith versus NAKAMURA-BERTA. No major difficulties at the moment. And I've just taken up my latest update. Apparently there is a 60% chance of light rain in the area around now. And by 1 o'clock that will turn into heavy rain, which will have an 80% chance of falling on the circuit. And there is actually a yellow weather warning for wind at this point, so it's going to get very tricky for the rest of the day. Smith and NAKAMURA-BERTA lead the way over the line. Third position is still going to be Simmons in front of Sakai. And fourth place, Sakai is in front of Josh AGAMBAR. Then comes that battle. Drummond, USAKOVS, TICEHURST, Gregory, SPEAKMAN now in front of YEOMANS and HEYWOOD. MACKAY, Swain and Hitter are all still there. Sonny Mortensen has joined the gaggle too. Then it is Joe CHEEK from Zika Hopkins College. Still Marquez, Whiting, Nolan, Pack, Big, Challenger, Dean, Walton, Hartley, Buckton, Porter, Oren, McDowell, Sharp and Barham. Despite the Smith's line, no team down the race yet. NAKAMURA-BERTA has turned up the dial in lap the curve, in through the right, over the curve, down towards Bobby Game corner. And I think we're going to get a first major push for the lead from NAKAMURA-BERTA. Comes through, trying to make that overtaking move. Hasn't been able to make it stick just yet. Trying to get the car stable, balanced around the circuit. Very easy to get it wrong. There's battles aplenty as they duel away for 6th position. The gaggle of carts still very tight together. Oh, we've had an off in the chicane. And NAKAMURA-BERTA goes for the move in the first corner, and he's going to go through up the inside and takes the lead. Nice move from NAKAMURA-BERTA. Into the lead on Sonny Smith. So Simmons, Sakai, AGAMBAR. And then we've got this battle. We've led by Gustavs. USAKOVS has come through to 6th in front of Drummond, YEOMANS and TICEHURST. And it's SPEAKMAN, HEYWOOD, GREGORY, Swain, MACKAY, Ethian, CHEEK and Motorsport. Still, Hopkins, Collis and Marquez having a terrific tussle. The 3 of them for 18th position. They came across the line, separated by 0.15. Very tight battle with those boys. They continue to run together. Oliver still, Nico Hopkins, Collis and Nathan Marquez. NAKAMURA-BERTA trying to get the car stopped for the second hairpin. Not easy when the car is sliding around. Sonny Smith is now doing all the hard work. Chasing after the race leader, Kean NAKAMURA-BERTA, over the curve, to the left, through the right. Up towards Bobby Game once again. So far, so good. The drivers continue their comfortable position. It's starting to turn into quite an exciting race. The drivers continue to squabble for position. We're getting some really sensational racing from the drivers now. Lots of great tussles to come. So they continue to race, and they can push hard very much indeed. The drivers are still giving themselves plenty to do as they continue to race for supremacy. There's a lot of great racing to come. These two still swapping the position on the inside of Sakai. Josh AGAMBAR finding absolutely no space at all from making the mistake to dive on the inside and get the move in turn 1. That was brave. That from Josh AGAMBAR. That is about as clean a move as you're going to get by chucking it on the inside on the curve. Josh AGAMBAR. Oh, and a spin. A spin on the bridge. Now, who is that that's gone? I don't want to say that's AGAMBAR. It's not. One of the drivers just inside the top 6. Spun the car and got it going again. It is Zach Drummond, I'm afraid to say. Zach Drummond has had an off on the bridge and now finds himself down the order. He's got down positions quite a way. Sonny Smith, meanwhile, is having a crack at the second place man, Kean NAKAMURA-BERTA. Kean NAKAMURA-BERTA is having a crack at Sonny Smith, I should say, because they have been to swap positions again. Sonny Smith has gone back through into the lead. Kean NAKAMURA-BERTA still there in second place as they go into the last lap. It's now or never, and both men know it. So here goes NAKAMURA-BERTA trying to go round the outside of Sonny Smith as they go underneath the bridge. And NAKAMURA-BERTA trying to cook up from the inside. He's diving for the inside, Sonny Smith, to protect the line. NAKAMURA-BERTA dives back for the inside line and gets the move in turn 4. NAKAMURA-BERTA back into the lead. They drop down off the bridge. Sonny Smith is still right there, down the back straight. This is all going to be about Kean NAKAMURA-BERTA holding his nerve. Oh, he's getting a nudge from Smith in the braking zone. Now, was that NAKAMURA-BERTA braking a tad early? Smith goes on the inside, squeezes NAKAMURA-BERTA to the ground. So Smith is through. Well, it was determined as ever. NAKAMURA-BERTA edging him out on the grass. They both go to the grass. Sonny Smith drives round him on the grass and gets back into first position. My word, these two are pulling out some cracking racing. And now they come up to Bobby Game for the last time. Can NAKAMURA-BERTA swing out through the right-hander and tuck up on the inside of Sonny Smith. NAKAMURA-BERTA to the inside of the Mike Wilson complex. He's through. He's through right at the last. NAKAMURA-BERTA's going to hand this to the finish, but Sonny Smith's coming back at it into the final chicane. Down the main straight. Not going to be much in it at all, but NAKAMURA-BERTA's just going to hang on in front of Sonny Smith. What a final lap! Absolutely magic! Just when you think you've seen the best of Kean NAKAMURA-BERTA, he pulls something like that out the bag. Oh, he's got it in spades. What a performance from both of them. Racing. Third place from Ethan Simmons.